Alin? Lagay mo yan dito. Usog niyo yan. Wait lang. Hoy, usog niyo yan. Alas kayo dyan.
Cloud computing
Nessa.
technology has brought about a paradigm shift in today's business world.
Yan. Yun,
Adopting
okay
cloud
na.
computing comes
Usog
with
niyo yan.
extensive benefits for businesses.
Usog niyo. Labas. Yan. Ayes. Ayan,
The
yan.
ability to deliver on demand
Okay, tapos yung lagi mga unan.
on a pay-as-you-go basis is called cloud computing, and it is growing bigger every day.
Halika na po, dito tayo sa may sunod naman. Ito po,
Services include flexibility,
Dito naman po tayo. Dito naman po tayo sa